Hey guys, today I'll show you how you can use Sage Intacct for accounting, so let's get started. Sage Intacct is a cloud-based accounting solution that helps businesses manage their financial operations more efficiently. Whether you're handling daily transactions or generating financial reports, Sage Intacct provides the tools you need to keep your accounting accurate and organized. To get started, sign in to your Sage Intacct account and familiarize yourself with the dashboard. From here, you can access modules such as General Ledger, Accounts Payable, Accounts Receivable, Cash Management, and Financial Reporting. Each module is designed to handle a specific part of your accounting process. Begin by setting up your chart of accounts and adding your customers and vendors. Once your setup is complete, you can start recording daily transactions. Enter vendor bills through Accounts Payable, create customer invoices in Accounts Receivable, and record payments as they are received or made. Every transaction automatically updates the general ledger, helping keep your financial records accurate. Sage Intacct also allows you to reconcile your bank accounts through the Cash Management module. Regular bank reconciliations ensure that your accounting records match your bank statements and help identify any missing or incorrect transactions. As your business grows, you can track expenses and revenue using dimensions such as departments, locations, projects, or product lines. This provides more detailed financial insights without creating a complicated chart of accounts. Another important feature is financial reporting. Using the Financial Report Writer, you can generate income statements, balance sheets, cash flow statements, and custom reports. You can compare actual results with budgets, filter data by departments or locations, and analyze your company's financial performance in real time. Sage Intacct also supports approval workflows, recurring journal entries, automated payment processing, and audit trails, reducing manual work while improving accuracy and compliance. By consistently recording transactions, reconciling accounts, monitoring reports, and using automation features, you can manage your business finances efficiently and make better financial decisions with Sage Intacct. That's it. If you found this video helpful, consider giving it a like and subscribe.